Adobe Illustrator Graphic Design 101, Adobe Illustrator Assignment for Beginners. Adobe Illustrator is a versatile graphic design software widely used by professionals in various industries for creating vector-based artwork. Here's an overview of how Adobe Illustrator supports graphic design. Features: 1. Vector graphics editing. Illustrator allows users to create and manipulate vector graphics, which are scalable without loss of quality. This makes it ideal for designing logos, icons, illustrations, and typography. 2. Drawing tools. It offers a range of drawing tools such as the pen tool, pencil tool, shape tools, and brushes for creating intricate designs and illustrations. 3. Typography. Illustrator provides extensive typography features, including text manipulation, styling, and effects. Users can create custom fonts, apply text wraps, and adjust kerning and leading. 4. Color and gradient controls. Users can work with an extensive color palette and apply gradients, patterns, and textures to their designs. The color picker and swatches panel offer precise control over colors. 5. Image tracing. Illustrator includes powerful image tracing capabilities, allowing users to convert raster images into editable vector graphics using the image trace feature. 6. Export options. Designs can be exported in various formats such as SVG, PDF, EPS, and more, making it easy to share and collaborate with others. Graphic design applications. 1. Logo design. Illustrator is commonly used for designing logos due to its ability to create scalable vector graphics. Designers can create simple and complex logos with precision and flexibility. 2. Illustrations. Artists and illustrators use Illustrator to create digital illustrations, character designs, and artwork. The vector-based nature of Illustrator allows for smooth lines and shapes, making it suitable for detailed illustrations. 3. Icon design. Illustrator is popular for designing icons for websites, applications, and user interfaces. Designers can create icons in various styles and sizes, ensuring consistency and clarity across different platforms. 4. Typography design. Illustrator offers extensive typography tools for creating custom fonts, designing typographic posters, and experimenting with text effects and layouts. 5. Print design. Graphic designers use Illustrator for creating print materials such as business cards, brochures, flyers, and posters. The precise control over layout, color, and typography makes it suitable for print design projects. Tips for graphic designers. 1. Master the pen tool. The pen tool is a fundamental tool in Illustrator for creating precise shapes and paths. Practice using it to create smooth curves and precise shapes. 2. Understand color theory. Learn about color theory and how to use color effectively in your designs. Experiment with different color combinations and palettes to create visually appealing designs. 3. Use layers and organize artboards. Organize your artwork using layers and artboards to keep your designs structured and easily editable. Use naming conventions and grouping to keep your layers organized. 4. Experiment with effects and styles. Illustrator offers a range of effects and styles that can enhance your designs. Experiment with effects such as gradients, shadows, and textures to add depth and visual interest to your artwork. Adobe Illustrator is a powerful tool for graphic designers, offering a wide range of features and flexibility for creating professional quality artwork. By mastering its tools and techniques, graphic designers can create stunning designs for various applications.